The youth.
Honorable, you are blocked the other people.
Yes, you are also blocking me.
Hey, you are blocked here.
You as well blocking me.
Can you drive?
I can't leave. I'm not living here. I am not living here. I work here. I have a youth office here. I must enter. You are blocking me. I'm blocking this road as well.
And you are not entering.
I am entering. You open. Open. I will enter.
No, you jump
Wait. You unblock the road. Wait. Watch out. You open. Open.
You jump there.
Open.
You jump there.
You open. Stop behaving like animals. You man behave. You open. I'm working here and I must enter. Stop misbehaving. Open! Mukulewo. Stop misbehaving. Stop provoking us. These guys are provoking us. I work here. I have an office for the youth, for the young people. Access my youth office because on Monday I'll be in Parliament. I'm always here every Monday. So whatever they are doing is unlawful. They didn't write to us, they didn't inform us, they didn't tell us anything. Personally, as a person, I'm not aware about anything.
So do you intend to peacefully maybe talk to them to understand why they have blocked you from going?
No, I'm not even supposed to be talking to them. They are supposed to open this place. I'm going to remove those things myself. I'm going to remove them. Because if you can't remove them, in what law? You tell me the law you're using to block that road. Which law are you using to block that place? So you get...
Bagitaddemu ekina.
One of the officers
You extend that one in the front. Extend that one.
Block me from accessing my office. What have I done? Tell us the reason as to why you're blocking us. Tell us the reason as to why you're blocking me. No. If you want to hurt me, you've had enough. You have tortured me.